Welcome to Lesson 1 in Adobe Animate. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to create a new file, understand the different Animate document types, adjust stage settings and document properties, and customize your workspace, open and work with panels, select and use tools, add layers using the timeline panel, understand and manage keyframes in the timeline, add filters and color effects to keyframes, work with imported images in the library panel, move and reposition objects on the stage, preview and publish your animation, and save your file. It's going to be a long one. We're going to learn how to do it, so we're going to get started. The first thing we need to do is we're going to start Adobe Animate and open a file. The first time you start Adobe Animate, you'll see the home screen, which also serves as a place to create a new document or open a saved document. It displays the kinds of projects you can build along with any recently opened files. In this lesson, we're going to create a simple slideshow animation to showcase a few vacation snapshots. So we are going to understand the document types and create a new document. Animate is an animation and multimedia authoring tool that creates media for multiple platforms and playback technology. Knowing where your final animation will play determines what type of document you'll choose when you create a new file. There is the playback environment. The playback or runtime environment is the technology that you find published files used to play. Your animation could play in a browser with HTML or JavaScript, or perhaps the animation will be exported as a video to be uploaded to YouTube or an animated GIF on social medias. If your project could play as an app on a mobile game device or even virtual reality immersive experience, you should make the decision first so that you can choose the appropriate document type. There's about 9 types of documents, but likely we will only use the first 2, so that's what I'm going to go over. If you want to see deeper, you can refer back to the PDF. It's under document types. So the first one is Action Script. To use that to create animations to export to video or export graphics and animation assets such as sprite sheets or PNG sequences. ActionScript is the native scripting language in Animate and is similar to JavaScript, but choosing ActionScript 3.0 document doesn't mean you have to include ActionScript code. If you want to choose HTML5 Canvas to create projects that play back on a browser using HTML5 and JavaScript, you can add interactivity by inserting Java within the animation or adding it to the final published files. Okay, we got that out of the way. Now we're going to create a new document. You're going to create a simple animation using just photos. So we're going to start at the home screen right here of Animate. Should be right here, which is the default workspace when you launch the application. You can also get to the home screen by pressing the home button at the top left of the interface. The home screen displays a preset option for different playback environments and layout sizes down here. For example, when you select more presets and choose the full HD option under character animation, Animate creates a new ActionScript 3.0 document meant to export videos at 1920 by 1080 pixels. The square option under ads creates new HTML and Canvas documents at 250 by 250 meant for playback in a browser. We're going to choose more presets or choose create new file. I'm going to file, create new file. No, I'll just choose more presets. More presets. And what comes up, the new document dialog box appears. The row at the top contains 6 categories of intended use. Click a category to display the different size layouts, and the details will be right here. We're going to select the advanced category at the far right. The center of the dialog box now displays all available platforms, and you can select a document type and type your document dimensions into the width and height. So if you have something specific, this is the way to do it. In the platform area in the center of the dialog box, select ActionScript 3.0. Right there, that one. And in the details on the right side, choose the dimensions of the stage by entering the new pixel values for width and height. We're going to say 800 for the width and 600 for the height, and enter 30 for the frame rate. Okay, make sure that all sticks. 30, okay, and then click create. Animate creates a new action script 3.0 document with the specified stage dimensions. You can choose File, Save, and we're going to just save this. I'm going to name it, I'm going to say name as, I'm going to save it on my desktop, and we'll call it, we're going to call it 01 working copy. Alright, so we really haven't done too much, but we have set up. From the file format, save as menu, and choose animate document.fla. So down here under file format, you can do animate uncompressed document or animate document. I want animate document from our file format. And although the software application is called Animate, be aware that the file extension is .fla or .xfl, both of which preserve echoes of the name of the ancestors of Animate, which was Flash. Navigate to the Start One folder and click Save. So we're just going to save this where you want to save it. Saving your file right away is a good working habit that ensures your work won't be lost if the application or your computer crashes. You should always save your Animate file with the extension .fla or XFL if you save it as an Animate uncompressed document to identify it as the Animate source file. So we're going to hit save. Great.